Yes, that's right. All right. So now let me share the screen. Just one moment. I hope you guys can see the screen. Yes. Everybody just give a quick confirmations. Yep, please. Let me tell you the one who are my students who is already enrolled under my program. So maybe few things I covered up, but this is completely for new students, the one who joined this workshop for the first time. So for them, so few things I'm just explaining, which you already know it, but that's okay. So there's a no harm to read again. Yes, guys. Yes, the one who already studied under me. All right. So now let's see this. Today, I am going to share the agenda for today's workshop. In this agenda, I hope you can see my screen and you can hear my voice clearly, right, guys? So this one about Naresh IT, about me, and the first point we understand who is Naresh IT, what exactly it is, and who am I? Okay, I going to speak for, did you see 14th May, Saturday 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. So this workshop's gonna happen for 3 hours. I mean 2.5 hours. I just explaining all those things. I'm sure I'm not make you bore, and because a lot of things I just wanted to explain. And 30 minutes we're going to have an question and answer sessions. Yes, everyone. So the first one, this is the agenda for this workshops about Naresh IT, about me, and what is data science, what is data science architecture, what is data science pipeline, all right, and what is machine learning, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, deep learning, and neural network. Understand? Because being a first time, the when you heard these terms, a lot of people are confusing because everybody become a YouTuber. So a lot of people say in different languages. So today we're going to clear all the concepts. What is mean by ML, AI, NLP, deep learning, and neural network, right? And which programming language we require to learn in the data science domain. Okay, you must should require to understand, guys. All right. And what prerequisite required, okay, to learn data science. All those things we do discuss on the point number 8. And who can learn and enroll this course. I mean, who can learn and enroll this course in this batch? My few students already enrolled this course, guys. Okay, already few students already enrolled the course and the journey is going on. Okay, still they attended the sessions. It's good. All right. And point number 10, I just wanted to explain what is the difference between who are the data scientists, what is job descriptions of the data scientist, what is the job descriptions of data engineer, what is the job descriptions of data analyst, what is the job descriptions of business analyst. Means once you get a job in these domains, what kind of work you're going to work in the industry, all those things we will discuss. And also what's mean by full stack data scientist, all those things I'll explain you on the point number 10. Yes. And the point number 11, how artificial intelligence and machine learning models are used in our day-to-day works, I mean on routine work. Okay, the 12th number point, does career gap learners learn this course? Means you guys are study BTech at 2014 and this is 2020. So you have a gap of 7 years and 8 years. So is this right way to learn this course? So that's what I'm saying. Does career gap learners can learn this course, right? And another questions, does non-technical students can learn this course? I mean, non-technical students who never have IT background, and can they learn this course? This is the point number 13. And the point number 14, students who placed under my training and how they changed their career from non-technical to data scientist or senior data scientist with the job offers. I will show them, guys, under my guidance program. A lot of students, they change their career from non-IT to the IT and successfully they transit their package of more than 150 percentages with salary hikes, guys. I'll show with the offers, right? And the 15th point, what are the jobs related to the data science is available? Those things also we are going to discuss on this workshop program. Okay. And also in the meantime, I do explain some of the color detections projects I wanted to take, as we don't have much time and I cannot complete entire AI in 2.5 hour sessions. So I just wanted to explain some of the interesting projects, like the project one, color detections projects, which is called AI. This is called AI projects. And the second one, speech recognitions. This is NLP project. Face and eye detections using OpenCV. This is computer vision projects. And the project four, object tracking projects. How do we track an object? So this is number four projects. And the fifth one is chatbot development. How do we develop a chatbot? This is the fifth project. And if the time is allows, then we can go for end-to-end machine learning projects with Flask and HTML. This is machine learning projects, NLP projects, deep learning projects, and computer vision project and visualizations project, which is comes under exploratory data analysis. Guys, everybody's clear what is the agenda for this workshop? Understood? Everyone, could you please give a quick confirmations? Yes. I mean, the one who already taken the sessions, that's okay. The one for the new students, for new beginners, I hope I'm taking a little bit slow down, or if let me slow down if I run a very fast, but I think I'm explaining very slow, guys. I hope you understand. The new students, everyone. Yes, Sohan, Abhishek, Aryan, everybody, okay, in the group. Now let's understand one by one. So now, guys, who is Naresh IT? So if you see this, so everybody's know about Naresh IT, and we anyway, we are ISO certified since long. It's almost been a 20 years back we certified in the ISO. And now we partnership with NASCOM partnerships, and we start a program called Full Stack Data Science Program. And also these things, I'll show you what curriculum and what syllabuses we're going to cover up. And also we are partnership with these many, these many programs and all those things, right, guys? So if you see this, Qualcomm and CSC, Tata, TechM, all those things we are partnership with, guys. So the one who have raised your hands, Drakshayani, I think you already attend my sessions. So right now I understand. Yep. Yeah. So the one Cognizant, these where we are partnership with, guys. I hope you understand. Okay, this is all about Naresh IT. So the first point, I hope everybody is understand. Now the second one, who am I? So let me tell you. So my name is Kodi Prakash Senapathi. I am 15 years experience in IT industry, and still now I'm working in Bangalore. Okay. So due to this channel is live, I don't want to display my company's credentials. So I'm a master of computer application students, all right? And right now I'm pursuing my PhD in data science in reinforcement learning, robotics, and IoT, all right? And also I'm working as a lead data scientist for one of the Asia for European client. And I'm a Microsoft certified data scientist, guys. I'm a Microsoft certified data scientist. I do provide training to such a big organizations, and on the weekends. Okay. And my exposure areas are which technology I'm working at this moment in current organizations: machine learning, neural network, artificial intelligence, NLP, using Python, statistics, Tableau, R, Django, Flask, and web applications like called Docker containers and all those things. So this is all about my introductions. I hope everybody is clear. I hope everybody is clear. So the first 2 point, what we understand is, so who is Naresh IT? So Naresh IT is still in the market from last since decade. I mean last 20 years. And about me, so this is all about me. Who am I and what my job role? Still I'm working at professionals or not. Okay, see, in this batch also my few students already joining in this program, and they know about me. They are, some of them are completed my courses, and they're pursuing job as well, guys. I hope you understand. This is all about me, correct? Now The next one slide. So from beginning, now it looks, this is called architectures, guys. So this is called architecture. So what exactly mean by architecture? What exactly mean by architecture? So let me tell you. So the first one, let me, so the first point what we covered here. So about Naresh IT, we done. And the second point about me and my introductions, we completed. I hope you understand, guys, right? The second one, what we're going to see that the third point is called data science architecture. So what exactly mean by architectures, guys? So let me tell you, whenever you construct your house, for a house design, you go to the architectures, right? I mean, he will make a architectures like this is where your living room and your, I mean, bedroom, your kitchen room, all those things is available, right? So in real time, okay. So whenever you work, guys, whenever you work in a project, so what exactly happened? Every project had project architecture. Agree or not? Agree or not? Yes, team. Every project has project architectures. Sir, how can I get the notes? So at this moment you listen, then I will we discuss about later part. Yes, Krishna. So I wanted to say, so this session is this session is 3 hours, all right, and I'm going to take the sessions for 2.5 hours. I will take the sessions along with the projects, right? and and 30 minutes, is it live or it is live and it is recorded, both things, guys. Okay, Viva, right? Is it? Yes, Viva. Now 30 minutes, I will take your questions and Q&A. I can say Q&A. Understand? Right. So what we completed so far, we understand what is Naresh IT, who am I, my introductions. Now we are discussing on data science architectures, guys. Okay, what exactly mean by architecture? So architecture in the sense, in real time, so as I said, whenever you work any project, the project has architectures, right, guys? Where exactly which team belongs on which part. So let's do this. So did you see this, guys? The data science and full stack data science. I will tell you the comparison, no need to worry. This is called architecture. This is called data science architecture. So the data science has split into two parts. One is data and one is science. Understand, guys? One is data and one is science. So what exactly mean by science? Science denotes to engineering, research, because everybody is completed your school days, right? And we learn science since childhood. Agree or not agree? So in this case, science means engineering, research, maths, linear algebra, and also science denotes to the combination of everything. And also it's one of the part of the statistics as well. So this is all about the science, guys. Understand? So data science is data plus science. Now let's come back to the data. Team, I hope you guys can hear me properly and you can see my screen. Yes, team. And so let's continue what exactly mean by data now. So data science belongs to data plus science. So let me show you what is data. So the next point comes, what is data and where the data is generated and from where the data is generated. This is very important, right, guys? So where exactly the data generated, team? Any responses? Any answers? Group? Anybody? Where exactly the data generated? The data generate from two entity. Let me show you. Just 1 second. So in this graph from current slides, the data generates from customers and also the data generated from internet. Agree? So what type of data generated from customers? Let me show you. So again, see this guys, customer data. So customer data means name, gender, address, mobile, office, salary. So these data generated from customers, agree or not? Agree or not, guys? Isn't it? So this data is generated from the customers, and this data is stored in the database. Means when you go for a shopping, guys, when you go for a shopping, after you shop, you go for a billing counters, right? The customer asking, please give your name, please give your what items you purchase, what's your address, what's your mobile number. So this is called customer data, and also we called structured data. So very simple, where the data generated, so the data generated from the customer, okay? And this customer data means what? The data generated from the customer is called customer data, or in linguistic, in data science terms, we call that structured data is equals to supervised learning is equals to labeled data. Guys, I hope you understand. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. So the data which generated from the customer, that's called customer data. Okay, structured data, we call it as CTURED, structured data, or also we can call that supervised learning, and also we call it as labeled data. Team, I hope you understand. Right. Now the next part, image data. So when I talk about images, for example, let's say I run one code and image. Did you see, guys? Are you see the screen? Is this structured data? Is this structured data, everyone? The data, this is, I'll talk about the later, this code, this is using TensorFlow and Keras. This is called, can we call this is structured data, everyone? No, correct. Nitiras, this is not a structured data. This is called unstructured data. So can I mention here, so the image data, let me tell you, Preeti, I think you raise your hands, but as I mentioned, I have a lot of agenda to complete today. So I will take sessions for 2.5 hours and 30 minutes. Let's discuss with each other. All right. Yes, guys. All right. Image data. So image data is a structured or unstructured? Structured or unstructured? This is called unstructured data equals to unsupervised learning equals to unlabeled data. Team, I hope you understand. The one who, how many types of data are there? I'll show you, right? So there are structured data, unstructured data, two type of data we have, right, guys? Yes, Sanjay? At this moment, we discuss one by one. Yeah. Now the third one, this data, the customer data generated from whom, guys? The customer data generate from customer, isn't it? Customer. And the image data generate from, okay, so which type of the image data might be generated from customers and internet as well, right? Now let's talk about another data. What we have, guys, if you see this audio data, okay, what exactly mean by audio data? So let's say music, right? Audio data means music or maybe songs. So this is a structured or unstructured, guys? This is a structured or unstructured? Can anyone give me an answer? Response, structured or unstructured? Unstructured. Very good, Sanjay. So I can call that unstructured data. I hope you understand, because there is no label audio data, right? There is no label. So this is called unstructured data, right? Now, the fourth one is called video data. The fourth one is called video data. So what exactly mean by video data or audio data? Or maybe audio means what? You can speech, or I can say the audio data, unstructured data or unsupervised. For example, speech recognitions. So one is project, speech recognitions projects. It's mostly deals with the text part, right? Text part. I hope you understand, guys. Correct? Now let's see video data structured. So I wanted to show you one video, just one moment. I wanted to show you one video. Just one moment, one moment. Right. Okay. Capture video. All right. The kernel is running. My cam is on. This is video capture. So let's minimize. And I hope you can see me, isn't it? So this is called video data. I hope you understand. Yes or not, guys? Okay. So this is called video data. So this is a what type of data, guys? This is structured or unstructured. This is structured or unstructured, unsupervised, unlabeled, all those things. I hope you understand, correct? I hope you understand, guys. This is called unstructured data. Clear, everyone? Now, yeah, so let me stop the kernel. Let me stop the kernel. Let me stop the kernel and let's go back to the one by one, because we try to understand the type of data. We're trying to understand the type of data, right? And just the system is restarting. The system is restarting. All right. And I wanted to show another one. I wanted to show another one. Main.py. Okay. So just allow me one more moment. Let me open my slides. I have few data science projects I just wanted to show up, and object tracking. So highway. So this is called, what we call this, structured or unstructured data. So this data takes from where? So who will collect this data? Who are collect these data, guys? So team, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Is it structured or unstructured? This is called unstructured data. Agree or not? Yes, guys, this is also called unstructured data. So that's why I'm just mentioning here, video data is also unstructured data. Yeah, or we called as unsupervised learning. I hope you understand, team. This is video data or sensor data, or sensor data means just now I play the video, even the signal, correct, and cam, all of things we called as, I mean, unstructured data. And the rest one, yeah, and XML PDF, it is structured or unstructured, guys? XML and PDF, team, XML and PDF, is it structured or unstructured? Yeah, this is also unstructured data. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. In interview, I'm sure if someone asks you what is mean by structured and unstructured, I think you can easily explain them, guys, isn't it? I think you can easily explain all the data, the type of data. I hope you understand. Now the next one, now let me go back to the next topic. So what we covered these things, let's continue the data science architectures. We understand the type of data. We understand the type of data. Now, semi-structures. No, you couldn't say semi-structured, but if I show some of the XML file, right now I have one XML file. So let me show you, just one moment. And just 1 second, I have some of the documents. You can call it structured, or you can call it semi-structured, and many things. So if you go back to here, I have some of the articles. So let me right click and edit with Notepad plus. Right click and Notepad plus plus. So look at this. Is it a structured or unstructured? Did you see there is a lot of noisy data, means question mark, I mean, and slash, all things are there, isn't it, guys? I hope you understand. I hope you understand. This is all things we called as structured, but some of the Excels also formed, you called as PDF, also unstructured data. Yes, guys, I hope you understand. Now the next one, when I talk about data science architectures, let me open this one. So data science is a combination of data plus science, and science is nothing but engineering, research, math. Science denotes everything which is called statistics as well, right? The data generate from customers, which we call supervised learning, structured data, labeled data. I hope you understand. Now, the data also unsupervised learning, that data generated from customers, like when you go to the hospital, when you give a blood sample, that is a unstructured data, right? But after doctor gives the report, that becomes your structured data. So unsupervised learning. So when I combine this one and this one, this term is called machine learning. I hope you understand, guys. Everybody's clear what is machine learning? So let me write down here. So let me write down here. So let me write down here. Let's close this. So what exactly machine learning? So machine learning means machine is learning from the historical data, right? And this data is a structured data. This data is a structured data. I hope you understand, guys. The machine is learning from the historical data, and the data is structured data. So these data are generated, which we have some of label. Label means input and output. I hope you understand. To work machine learning, we work this machine learning in Python programming language. Python programming language, and the framework of the machine learning is called sklearn, scikit-learn. I hope you understand what is called SCIKIT, scikit-learn. Team, everybody's understand? I hope you guys are clear. Okay, anyway, if you have any questions, you can write it down a question so that you cannot forget at the end, and let's discuss on the questions at end of the sessions, right? Now, I hope the data we understand. Look at this arrow mark. From the internet, we do create a text data, all right? Voice, hey Alexa, can you please play the music? Speech recognitions, voice recognitions, chat bot, okay? So these informations, we do download informations from the internet, okay? This is called text data. To work these text data, we have a concept called NLP. What is meant by NLP? Natural language processing. How your machines process the natural language is called NLP. I hope you understand, guys, what exactly I'm trying to say. I hope you understand what exactly I'm trying to say. The data, which this is unstructured data, to deals with text data, which is unstructured data, we have a technique called NLP. NLP means what? Natural language processing. I hope you understand, guys, right? So for NLP, there is a framework, okay? NLP, okay? To work NLP, we do have same programming, which we called Python programming language. And the framework of NLP is NLTK and SPACY. What is this? What is the framework of machine learning? Scikit-learn. And the framework of NLP is called NLTK and SPACY. Yes, team. The next one, image data, because in a phone when you take an image, so that's called image data. So if your machine is processed the image data and video data, those we call as deep learning, those we called as a deep learning. So sometimes to handle these image data, your machine learning algorithms will fails. So that's why we need to go ahead with the deep learning algorithms. When we understand deeply, this is called deep learning. Did you see the diagram here? AI is the DL is the part of subpart of ML. ML is the part of AI. I hope you understand, guys. I hope you understand what is AI, ML, DL. Yes, team? Yes, so the deep learning is the combination of artificial neural network, recurrent neural network, and CNN, convolutions neural network, which is comes under neural networks, guys. So let's talk about one of the image data before I complete these architectures. AI, yeah, you can say that. You can say that, Sanjay. And if you see today's agenda, I have some of the projects. I have some of the projects. Just let me show you one project. So what projects? Color detections project. So the first one, what we're going to do, speech recognitions projects, right? What is AI project? Now let me open one AI projects, guys, and let's, as this is a workshop, let's understand all the projects in detail, and we're going to see this, guys. So now detecting colors. So what exactly the project agenda? So let me show you. Yeah. Multiple color detections in real time using Python, using OpenCV. What is OpenCV, guys? What is OpenCV? So there is a package is called OpenCV. So AI OpenCV is the AI package which deals with video or streaming data, or I mean image videos, guys. Okay, videos. So this is called packages. This is very powerful package. This is one of the AI packages. OpenCV is one of the AI package. OpenCV is one of the AI package. So in self-driving car, to detect the traffic signals, yeah, what exactly happened in self-driving car? I'm just talking one projects right now as color detections project. So how do we detect the color? So in self-driving car, to detect the traffic signal, what is meant by self-driving car? Means it is a driverless car. It is a driverless car, isn't it? In this driverless car, okay, how exactly in the traffic signal, what are the signals we have, guys? Red, green, yellow, isn't it? Red, green, yellow. But how exactly you build the model, you build the AI model. In this AI model, even though driverless car, how a car can find out red means stop the car, green means go ahead the vehicle. Yeah, so this is the steps. Anyway, this is workshops, and I'm going to explain these steps not in detail, because this is a workshops, I have a lot of way to cover. So these are the steps I wanted to talk. The first step is capture video through webcam. The first step is captured through video webcam, and then we have a lot of, it's a big topic, guys. OpenCV is a big package, and we need to create the frames using video streams. And then there is a concept of BGR, blue, green, red. Okay, and HSB, it will convert your images to HSB colored space. It will fix the range mask for each and every color, and then you detect the color. So let's go back and let's see. We're going to understand one by one. Just one moment. So here the first one is we can capture video. So let's do this one more time. In this video capture, so if I say the video captured 0, so did you see import CV2? CV2 is what? OpenCV package of AI. Okay, and then import numpy. Numpy means what? It's a multi-dimensions array. So this is a workshops, okay, 2.5 hour program. So when you come back to my sessions, I will explain in detail with all the concepts. And CV to video capture. 0 means what? This is my laptop webcam. When I change 0 to 1 or 2, maybe if you have some hi-fi cameras, so you can change to 0 and 1. And cap dot read means what exactly? This read the camera, all right, and change the HSV color and make a frame. So when you do this, and finally I will, it will create my images, right? I hope you can see me. But at this moment, what kind of object is this, guys? What object is this? What object is this? Which color is this? What is the project we are discussing right now? What is the project we are discussing? The first project is color detections project. This is an artificial intelligence projects, guys. Which color is this? Red color, right? And which color is this? Which color is this? This is the green color. These are the green toys, right? These are the green toys. Which color is this? This is the blue toys. RGB, red, green, blue. Understand? Blue and green and red. I have 3 objects with me right now. Okay. Now let's stop this. Let's stop this. And I wanted to show how I build an AI model where it will detect, not detect me, it will detect only these objects. Let's stop this. Restart the kernel. Let me stop the webcam. It is stopped. Now the red color mask detections, okay, using help of OpenCV. And let me run this. Let me run this again. So we called as, did you see this, guys? Red color detections, okay? Red color detections. Let me click here. Let me click here. And let's minimize. My webcam is on. I hope you can't see me. Check this. This is me and this is my mask created by me. Did you see this is which color? Green. My model does not detect green. My model does not detect green, isn't it? And my model does not detect blue because I write a code to detect only red color. So these objects are not detected. But now when I see the red, I mean this one, red color, do you think it is detecting? Do you think it is detecting or not, guys? It is a night time, so that's why, but still okay. But in daytime, it looks more beautiful. Yes, guys? Correct, Sanjay. Yeah, yes, it is detecting. So that's why we called as a red color detections. That's why we called as a red color detections. I hope you understand. But in the meantime, when I bring some of the items over here, I mean red color only it will detect, not all the colors it will detect, isn't it? So this is called red color masks, guys. All right. Now, I hope you understand how exactly your self-driverless car can understand the image and all those things. So let me stop this one. Let me stop this one. Let me go to the camera. The same way, let's stop the kernel. Okay. Now the same way, let's understand another colors called blue and green. And let's understand the blue and green. Blue color mask detection. So let's do this. Okay, so let's minimize. I hope you can, see this. So this is blue colors. Now it's looks so nice, isn't it, guys? Did you see this? It is completely a blue color. I mean, the one who already attended, that's fine, guys. The one who is a beginner, so we can also see your headset. Yeah, some of the blue colors also there, so that's why you might can see this. Yes, Sanjay. Yes, but if you see this blue, it's completely visible. Agree or not? But when I keep it in the red, I have 2 objects, then you can't able to see this. Clear, team? I hope you understand. So now let me stop this. Let me stop this. restart kernel. And I have another one. So I have another code which I've been written as every color except white mask. So it can detect everything except the white mask. So let me show up this one. Still the camera is on. Now let's do this. Did you see? Did you see my face? So how exactly? Okay, it's looking clear or not, guys? Except white, everything it will detect. But if I say this will detect. See, my background is, my wall color is white, but it's not detecting. Understand or not, guys? My wall color is white. It is not detecting. Yes, guys. Now let me do this. Let me stop this again. So I hope you understand what exactly mean by why wall is not detecting. That's what I've been mentioned, Sanjay, because look at this. Every color it will detect except white. Wherever you see the white, it won't detect and turn down to be black. And rest of the color it will detect. Yes, Sanjay? Okay. Now let's minimize this. Let's minimize this. Now let's go back to the architectures. Now in this one, I hope you understand whatever we show, whatever we saw right now, that is the project of CNN, convolutions neural network. And what is the package of deep learning? Just now we saw. What is the package of deep learning, guys? OpenCV. Yes, Sanjay, what is the package? It is a OpenCV, isn't it? So when I combine NLP plus deep learning, what we called artificial intelligence, guys, because the data which deals completely unstructured, this is called AI, artificial intelligence. Now, what exactly mean by data science? Data science is combination of machine learning, NLP, deep learning, neural network, okay, and science and statistics. Everything's we called as a data science. Team, are you understand everyone? Everybody's, I hope, little bit got some idea today. Yes. Data science is combination of everything, guys. Means combination of, I mean, machine learning, NLP, and deep learning. Now, so whatever the codes we've been written over here, whatever the codes we written in the spider, we written the code in Python programming language. We written the code in Python programming language. So now if you see this spider, did you see .py? .py means what is the extensions of the doc. Doc. What is the extension of Excel? .xlcx. The same way the extension of Python is .py. So .py always gives the means it is a Python programming language. Understand, guys? So this is Python programming looks like this, and it is very easy. No need to worry, as it is a workshop. As it is a workshop, so when in the real sessions, I will explain in detail and very slowly. I hope you understand, guys, right? Now, the best programming language for data science is Python. Okay. So let me tell you the machines, how, see, if you watch a IPL, if you watch IPL matches, how can you visualize the, I mean, scores of two team? By visualizations, right? So visualizations, we can work the visualizations using Python and R programming, Tableau, on multiple way, isn't it, guys? How do I visualize in Tableau? How do I visualize in Tableau? Very simple way, just drag and drop. Just drag and drop. Okay, guys. So I hope you understand the data science architectures. Agreed or not? So when I combine of machine learning, NLP, deep learning, and science, this is called data science. After we build many models, machine learning models, NLP models, deep learning, using Flask API, Docker, cloud, and we go for automations and monitor the performance. So some more, this is called data science architectures, guys. This is called data science architectures, right? Now the next one, now the next point we discuss is, data science pipeline. What exactly mean by pipeline? So let me tell you, we completed this point, we completed this point, and we completed this point, and we completed this point, right? And also we done one projects, guys, right? Now let me show you What is data science pipeline? What is data science pipeline? So let's minimize this. Let's minimize this. So from current slide, did you see this, guys? If you understand the data, all deals with the data only, right? So the data is raw data. What exactly mean by raw data? Anybody aware of it? Anybody aware of it? What is meant by raw data? What is meant by raw data, guys? So let me write down. Let me show you what's meant by raw data. For example, the name and age. Let's zoom this one. 16. Name, age, gender. All right. Data without correct order. Yes, not correct or missing value. Excellent. Yes, Sumit. So gender and some call locations and salary, all those things. So I'll mention name AB and CD and CD again EF, and age is missing, gender is M and female, location is Bangalore, and salary is, let's say, 67 LPA, 67L, and missing. So in this data set, we do have some missing values, isn't it? This is missing values. This is missing values. This is missing values. These are missing values, right? Can we call this is a raw data? Yeah, mixture of data, right? This is called raw data. Now let me tell you guys, in this raw data, can you build any model, any visualizations? Can you build any model, any visualizations? No, it is not. It's not possible. It is not possible. So that's why we call raw data. In this raw data, it is a combination of text data, yes, text data or numerical data. For text data, we called as categorical data. For numerical data, with nothing but a numbers, right? So that's why if you see these architectures I mentioned, raw data in the database, lot of data are missing, isn't it? In the database, lot of data are missing. So in the raw data, we have numerical, categorical, and all those things, guys. For example, in the data, raw data, what we do, being a data analyst, they clean the data, they transform the data. From the raw data, they will convert to clean data. From the raw data, they are convert to clean data, guys, isn't it? And these steps we have like visualizations packages like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and descriptive and inferential statistics, all those things, right? So this is a clean data. Once we clean the data, we make variable identifications, feature engineering, EDA, exploratory data analysis, all those things. I will guide you on our real sessions. Clear? Now, in data, we have machine learning, scikit-learn. The framework of machine learning is what, guys? Scikit-learn, isn't it? And NLP, what is the framework? NLTK, the deep learning framework is TensorFlow. If you see this, machine learning is split into two parts. One is supervised learning, one is unsupervised learning. You know what is meant by supervised learning? I already covered it. In supervised learning, again, divide into two parts. One is regressions, one is classifications, right? So what is meant by some of the regressions? Regressions means if I plot the diagram, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so let's plot this one. Clear? So I said Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Monday the temperature is 20 degree, Tuesday the temperature is 30 degree, Wednesday the temperature is 40 degree, and 50 degree. So when I plot the point, I'll get this type of point, isn't it? Can I call this is the data point? Yes or not, guys? Yes or not? This is the data points, right? Yes, team. So this is called regressions. This is called regressions, guys. So temperature, Monday, what could be the temperature? 20 degree, Tuesday 30, Wednesday 40, and That variable is continuous in nature. What is classifications? Classifications, this is 0 and this is 1. Whether Monday the climate is hot or the climate is cold. I hope you understand, guys, what exactly mean by classifications. Classifications means it will classify the data. Classifications means what, guys? It is classify the data. So regressions means what? The data is continuous in nature. For example, gold price predictions, right? And also weather forecasting, and also stock market predictions. Now, petrol price predictions, is it regressions or classifications, team? Petrol price, is it classifications or regressions, guys? Petrol price. So here, the petrol price also come under regressions. The petrol price predictions also, it will come under regressions. I hope you understand, guys, right? Now, the next one, what is classifications? The data is classified. The data is classified means what? Yes and no, true or false, okay? And spam email or non-spam email, guys. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. So these are the classify the data. The one who attend for the first time, I hope you understand, guys. The one who attended for the first time, not of my students, the one who attended for the first time. Could you please quick friendly answer, yes or no? Yes, Abhishek, the one who attended for the first time. I mean, you never joined before. You don't know what is AI. You don't know what is machine learning. You don't know what is meant by deep learning. Little bit, I hope you understand. See, because first time, little bit confused. I'm new. James, I hope you understand. Yes, James, Umesh, Nitiraz. When in my sessions, and yes, I'm also new to this topic. Yes, Pravin, but I hope you got clear. Yes, James. So anyway, the session is recording. Might be you can watch it again, and we can figure out what exactly um, what exactly all the new terms is all about. And also, I will show why this is demand in the market, why this is upcoming future in the market. Before that, I wanted to tell you where exactly, where exactly in real time used on day-to-day basis, where exactly we will use on day-to-day basis. Let me show you, guys. Let me show you. Okay. Now, I wanted to tell you, in olden days, software jobs means in old days, you have to study. Software jobs means you have to study, must should be a computer background, must should be a computer background, right? But nowadays it is not mandatory for, not mandatory. You should learn, you should from computer background, you should from computer background. I hope you understand. See this, 2017, from 2017 onwards, AI is came in the market, right? So I am showing you the market, world market for next 2025. We are at 2022, okay? Which companies wanted to addict this AI part? Which company wants to addict this artificial intelligence? The first one, advertisement. So now I'm asking one questions. In future, does advertising will stop? Does advertising will stop in the future? Team, just response, yes or no? No, right? No, I never think so. It will be stopped. Does automotive industry will stop? No. Does constructions industry will stop? No. Educations, finance, healthcare, investment, logistic, and oil gas industry, sports industry, aerospace, building automations, consumer, energy, electricity, gaming, insurance, legal, manufacturing, real estate, telecommunications, agricultural, business service, defense, fashions, public sectors, information. No. So now when these, whenever in after complete, when you train under me, after complete this, if you give any one projects under advertisement or insurance or banking or defense or fashion, you have to prepare one real-time project from this domain only. This domain we called capstone projects. What is meant by capstone projects? Let me tell you, in resume, you have to prepare in your resume, you need to mention, you need to show some capstone projects. So what exactly mean by capstone projects, guys? What exactly mean by capstone projects? Like bank. In the bank industry, lot, even though my dad was took loan, I am also take loan now. My kid also take loan, right? Loan analysis, isn't it, guys? So we'll recording these sessions provided by Vav. Yes, yes. Maybe I have to check with my support team. You ask your questions to my support team. Okay, by Vav? Yes. Yeah. So the loan analysis, all right, and risk factors, right? Fraud, everywhere the fraud is happening or not, even though in home, in bank, in government, in private sectors, isn't it? So feedback analysis means everywhere you go, means you go to the hotel industry, you go for exam the paper, everybody wants to take the feedback. So feedback analysis, don't you think these are the projects which always stay in the market? So if you prepare your resume on these projects, definitely you get a good interview calls, guys. I'll show you some of the resume formats as well in today's sessions. Yes, guys. Now, so when I talk about these, when 2017 nobody's acquired AI, but slowly it is growing, slowly it is growing. But 2020 21 due to COVID hit, so these jobs are freezed. Right now we are at 2020, 2023, 2024, 2025. Now see the scale, see the graph of the AI. It is increasing or decreasing? It is increasing or decreasing? It is increasing, isn't it, guys? There's a lot of way to I can speak, but as we have some time constraint, so let's increasing. So there is a good futures, guys. You know why there is a good futures? Let me show you where exactly you used. Every day we create these many data in one home, in especially in 5 years back or 6 years back, I used black and white phones, guys. There was no internet at the time. There is no, so because there is so much concepts to learn. Yes, yes, that's true. So now 90% of the world's data today has been created in last 2 years. Everybody in 5 years back, we use black and white phones, but now in household, everybody use 512 GB phones. In one day, one person, lot of data are created, isn't it? So these many data are created, guys. 2.5 quintillion bytes of data are created, right? So now see, this is in what exactly this one? In this year, 250 MB hard drive. To prepare the 250 MB hard drive, okay, they spend thousands of dollars. But 2014, we used some chip card. But in now, there was no chip card. Everything is cloud. Everything is cloud. Understand or not? Understand or not, guys? So now, he's the founder of AI, guys. The term artificial intelligence introduced by John McCarthy in the year of 1956. In the year of 1956, yes. Now, if you see this, where exactly AI is impacting on day basis? AI in social media, AI in chatbots, AI in autonomous vehicle, AI in space, AI in gaming, AI in banking, AI in agricultural, AI in healthcare, AI in marketing, AI in fashions. Every times you're going to see this, guys. In social media, we are generating immeasurable amounts of the data through charts, tweets, posts, and so on, isn't it? Yes or not, team? So in social media, we generate a lot of amount of data, and these data are structured or unstructured data. Charts, tweets, posts. These data are structured or unstructured data, guys. Structured or unstructured data? Anybody responds? It's a unstructured data. Yeah, it is a unstructured data. Yes, guys, it is a unstructured. So now in Facebook, social media platform like Facebook, AI used for face verifications, right? Front end is face verifications, right? Front end is called face verifications, but the back end we used machine learning algorithm and deep learning algorithms, guys. Front end face verification is done, but the back end, how exactly the face verification is done? Because of machine learning and deep learning algorithms, guys. So what exactly I mean by machine learning and deep learning algorithms? So if you see this one, if you see this one, this is machine learning algorithms, guys. Simple linear, multiple linear, polynomial, gradient descent, support vector regressors, decision tree regressors, random forest regressors, stochastic gradient descent, lasso, ridge, time series, and classifications. We have logistic, SVM, decision tree, naive Bayes, KNN, random forest, AdaBoost, XGBoost, CatBoost, and all those things. Yeah. So the back end in Facebook, the face verifications, the front end is your face. The face is recognized by CNN model. Which one? CNN, convolutions neural network, right? Just now I showed you to detect the face and color detections, isn't it? Isn't it? Now, how exactly it happened, guys? How your model will detect your face? Let me show you. I have how to detect my face and eye, how my model is detect my face and eye. Let me show up, guys. Let's click this. So this is one of the program I'll show you using CV2. Let me open this. Hmm. I hope you can. Did you see this? My face and eye are detecting, because at this moment this is low color, yeah, big low light. So so this is exactly detect your face and eye. Yeah. So in the daylight you can detect your face and eye, okay, by your model. Team, I hope you understand, isn't it? So as this is little bit light in the night time, so it's the light is due to shortage of light, it's up and go, but or else it's perfectly detect and it's constantly when I move the image is completely the image is completely you can find out. I hope you understand. Yes, guys, I hope you understand. I hope you understand this one. Now let's kernel and restart and clear outputs. The next one, just one moment. Okay, so where exactly we are used another example of AI, Twitter. Yeah, in Twitter, what exactly happened, guys? Let me show up. Just one moment. Just one moment. Yep. Yeah. So in Twitter, I think everyone got the good speech only. You never get any kind of terrorist language, isn't it? There is no hate speech. There is no terrorist language. For all this purpose, we use machine learning and deep learning is the backend to filter any offensive tweet or not, guys. I hope you understand. This is also Twitter. We can use it in the ML and AI. We can use it in the Twitter as well. Yes, guys. So these are the some of the example we have. Now, these are the some of the example we have, guys. So in this pipeline, if you understand this one, what exactly mean by clustering algorithms, k-means, hierarchical, DB scan, and PCA. So these are the clustering algorithms we need to cover under machine learning. So under machine learning, we will use these algorithms to build the ML models. To build the ML models, guys. I hope you understand. Yes, the one who knew students the first time. I hope you can clear, isn't it, guys? Yes, Tanuja. Yes, Umesh, Vaibhav, Vignesh, Praveen, everyone, Sunil, Sanjay, Rohini, Om Prakash, Muhammad. I hope you guys are a little bit clear what exactly I'm talking right now. These are the ML part. Now, what is NL part? Text processing, text mining, tokenizations, lemmatizations, stemming, stop words, NER, all the algorithms we're going to, at least you should know what exactly algorithms you need to learn. Okay, how exactly we implement in the real-time classes or in the real-time projects. In interview also, these questions only they will come back, guys, right? So we build machine learning model, we build NLP model. Now in deep learning, neural networks, guys, as I mentioned, I show you some of the AI projects, and also we detect some face and eye detections, how the Facebook can recognize your face. Okay, that is the front end, that is AI applications, and the back end is ML or DL models. So in neural network, we understand all these concepts, convolutions, layer, max pooling, flattening, LSTM, and all those things, guys. So this is pipeline. I don't want to get in depth to the these algorithms, and this is very easy codes, guys, no need to worry. Anybody can learn these codes. It's not that only software background is required to learn these codes. It's not something like that. So once we build the model, we need to test the model, right? Whether the model is good or bad. On this case, we need to check R square, adjusted R squares, confusion matrix. This is a statistics parameters we need to check. This is called model performance. And after this, we build the machine learning model. After you build, what happened? You deploy the model in productions. You deploy the model in productions. The model deployment happen using Pickle or JobLib, and also into the productions we can deploy into the Flask API, scheduler, and all those things. Today also I'll show you one of the projects, guys, how we build the model and deploy the model. I will show you, okay? And how to automate the model. What exactly mean by productions, guys? So now in Amazon.com, when you wake up at nighttime or morning time, every time www.amazon.com, you can open, the website will open and you can order your item at any time, right? So the server is on for 24/7. So let me show you what exactly I'm trying to explain. There is a project called end-to-end machine learning project with Flask and HTML. Let's see these projects, guys. Let's see these projects, what exactly happened. So team, listen to me. If you understand this, we have one algorithms called simple linear regressions. Are you see this? Did you see this algorithms called simple linear regressions? Isn't it? Yeah, simple linear regressions. So now let's close this. And this is how to build the models. Anyway, at this moment, I just give you some of brief example. Let's do one project right now, end-to-end project. How can we work this project? Let's say I will try to explain the use case, then we build this project, just 1 second. This is called student mark predictions. So what exactly happened? Let me explain what is the business use case, what they want, all of things, guys. This is called what? Machine learning model, end-to-end deployment using Flask and HTML. Very simple. What is the use case? Let's say there's a university, one university called Oxford University, okay? And this is a company, MX Software Private Limited. The business discussion happened between university and software company. The business use case is the discussions happened between university and the software company, guys. All right. Now, what is the problem statement? What is the problem statement? The problem statement is students are working day and night, but they are not able to get good score. But they are not able to get good score. Until now, no student is achieved greater than 90%. I hope you understand, guys. What is the problem statement? Let me tell you, end-to-end cycle, end-to-end model cycle. We will create an app right now, and also we're going to understand all those things, guys. So here, so now the first company name is called MX Software. The universities, guys. This is a Oxford Universities, right? Now the discussion is the problem statement means university had some problem. University had some problem, and they share their problem to company, software company. What they said, students are working, studying day and night, but they're not able to, till now, no students got 90% score. I hope you understand, guys, what exactly I'm saying. Till now, no students got 90% score. I hope you understand. Yeah, just 1 second. Yeah. Now, organizations need to suggest software company. I mean, the university inform to the software company. Now, they need some help from the software company. The software company have to suggest. So, what they want, the university tell the software company to, can you please create a app. So organizations need to suggest to university how many hours a student need to study to get more than 60% score, because in a university minimum score should be greater than 60% to pass. In that university, minimum pass criteria is 60 percentages, right? Minimum pass criteria is 60%. Now the company wants to make 90%. I mean, university, they want to create 90%. University wants to know, if a student study for 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, or more than that, how much probability score students can get, and our university should become top of the world. Everybody understand or not? Now, let's say in university there is a 50 students are there. If 50 students, they know that, if the 50 students, they know, if I study for 3 hours, if they have app, so they can figure out how much study they wanted to study to get this much of percentages, right? If we came to know how many hours if students can study, then it is good for our university to explain to students to achieve its goal. So this is what the problem statement, guys. So in this project, what we understand the business problem, right? Yes or not, guys? Now the software company got the data. This is, I just I'm not explain in detail. If I explain in detail, it will cross more than 3 hours, guys. Only one project only, it will give you more than 3 hours. I just give you a glimpse of the data set and just gives you how to build the model. All right, just one moment. Let me on the charger. Okay, so I hope you understand. So in this one, we understood business problem and we got the data and we visualize and prepare the data for machine learning algorithms. Select a model and train it. Select the model and train it, and also fine tune the model and launch, monitor, and maintain the model. All those things we're going to see today. Now, let's see this, how exactly the data set looks like. Exactly the data set looks like. See this one. Just one moment. Student info. Okay, so this is the data which software company collected from the university. This is the data which software company collected from the universities, right? In this data set, attributes, what is meant by attributes? Column names, student study hours, student marks, right? If the student, I mean, in university they do have some historical data, means they collected some data in Excel sheets. If the student study for 6 hours, then the student got marked 78 percentages, right? Agree or not? In that data, no student scored more than 86, right? Or more than 90. This is what the use case. I hope you understand, guys. I hope you understand, team, right? No student, I mean, scored the mark more than 86 percentages, and no student study, even the people are studying from 8 hours, but still this is what a accuracy part. I mean, so what exact software company need to give a solutions for this type of problem? For this one, I will show you one very simple thing, and we're going to build the machine learning model right now. Let's do this. Student mark predictions. So I don't want to explain right now completely in the data sets, guys, but at this moment, these are the business problem. You know this now. NumPy, pandas, matplotlib. NumPy used for multi-dimensions array, pandas used for data frame, matplotlib used for visualizations. Now I load the data, all the, in sessions, I'll explain how to import the data from your system to the software. This is the software. Yes, I create a identifier or object called DF, and whatever we learned in Excel, whatever I saw right now, this is called data set, guys. Whatever I saw the data set in the Excel, same data I've been export to here, isn't it? Same data I've been import to the object and created an object for DF, guys. I hope you understand. Do you see missing values are there? None, NaN, yes or not, guys? Do you see the missing values are there or not? So now in Python, there are some functions called dot head, means it will give you top 5 rows, very simple code, and tail, bottom 5 rows, shape, number of rows and columns, and info, it will give you the missing columns in the data. So study arts, there are 5 values are missing, isn't it, guys? Now descriptive statistics, it's give you the descriptive informations. Descriptive statistics, it will give you the descriptive informations, guys. Now I plot the graph. Open images, a new tab. So this is called, I didn't build, I just plot the graph between student study arts and student marks. Agree? Finally, we can build the machine learning algorithms and using simple linear regressions. How do I import the, how to build the model? Very simple. Build the machine learning model means, so here we can call, let me talk one by one so that you don't be confused. I hope you understand, guys. Discover and visualize the data, gain insight. X-axis I take study arts and y-axis I take student marks, guys. Yeah. So did you see plot dot scatter? X-axis study art, y-axis student marks. What type of graph shows? This is positive regressions. This is positive correlations, guys. We have a concept in ADA called correlations. Anyway, I will talk about later. Yeah, anyway, I'll talk about later what exactly mean by correlations, all those things. Yep. So this is called correlations we found. And the next step is, in study arts, there are 5 missing value. In student marks, there is no missing values. So I wanted to compute dot mean strategy. I'll take average of all the fun and I compute all the missing values. I create a variable called df2. Let me tell you, I do understand in this, the whatever the participants you joined today, you feels like understanding, you feels like not understanding. No problem. This is just a workshop. Just try to understand what exactly end-to-end machine learning model, how, what exactly mean by practically the machine learning is works. Yeah. So this is just a briefing. I hope you guys are clear. So in df2, when I fill with the df2, all the values are replaced and there is no missing value over here, guys, right? And finally, I build the model called, finally I build the model using simple linear regressions, guys. sklearn, import, train, test, split. These are the packages we have the machine learning part, right? So just one moment. Select a model and train it. sklearn.linear model. Just now I showed you in the pipeline, I showed you the algorithm called simple linear regressions, right? In simple linear regressions, we call the packages sklearn.linear model import linear regressions. Okay, this is called model. So the formula of this equation is y equal to mx plus c, because all machine learning algorithms is a formula. So I will teach you in our real sessions what exactly mean by this formula, what is x and what is y variable, guys, all those things. So once I build the model, finally the model is ready. I mean, if you see these architectures, we build the model, right? Machine learning model is ready, guys. Now the next one, deployment, we pickle the file and productions using Flask. Now I'll show you the Flask API right now. Just one moment. Yeah. So if you see this, this is called Flask. One moment. Just one second. So before I try to execute the Flask, Flask is what? API. API means what, guys? Interface. Interface means applications program interface, means it is kind of broker. What is the work of broker, guys? Take the informations from buyer and take the information from seller. So app Flask name, when I run this code, run host, let me execute this one. What happened? In the background, it will create a let's copy this and let me paste over here. Oops, I'm not copied, it seems. Let's copy and let me paste here. One moment. What it getting? The site can't be reached, right? The site cannot be reached. So one moment, let me rerun again. Now let me refresh it. I hope you understand, guys. Did you see welcome to the Flask? I created or not? I got this. I got this. Yes, team. Yes, Nihar, Mini, Priyanka, everyone, Srinivas, Sunil, Vignesh, Praveen. I hope you guys are understand, because this is front end. This is an app. So the moment Django is not required, even though not required for all the framework, only one framework is enough. But when I write a connect to the Flask and request and render templates, I will tell you guys it's a long projects. But when I wanted to create an app, how do I create an app? Let me execute this again. Oops, I think I need to restart it. But enter it. I think I have to stop this. Stop the kernel and restart the kernel. So how exactly the app looks like? Just one moment. Let me execute again and see. Let me refresh it. Did you see this, guys? We create an app or not? So what exactly, being a software, this is the app created by you. The front end is this one and the back end is this model. Did you see the server? This is called server. What exactly mean by server? The server is, it is a machine which is on for 24/7. What exactly mean by server? Now the server is a machine which is on for 24/7. Means Amazon, Flipkart, their server is always be on, not only for Amazon, Flipkart, for each and every guys. Okay, the server is on for by 24/7, so that whenever a customer go to the website, they can access the informations. I hope you understand, guys. Now what exactly happened? Let's say, what is the use case? If the student study for 4 hours, let's predict his mark. When I say this, you will get 66% mark if a student study for 4 hours per day. Guys, are you understand or not? If you study 4 hours, then you get 66 percentages mark. If the student study for 9 hours, what is his predictions? Guys, interesting or not? This is the front end. Are you able to see any machine learning code? No, you cannot see the machine learning code. Yes, Om Prakash. But in the back end, the machine learning works. So the connections, who will connecting the data? When I enter, end user means what? Customers. When I end user enter some informations like 8, okay, immediately the data collect, the Flask keys collect the data and hit into the backend, which is backend. This is the backend, guys, right? This is the backend. The server is on. If you see this, I entered 4, I entered 9, now I entered 8. When I do enter, automatically I call this one 81.93. The file is generated or not? So the backend team should understand what exactly happening in the front end. Guys, are you understand or not? Yes. Yeah. Now there is a things. 24 hours in a day. What happen if I mention 25 hours? Normally, no students study for more than 24 hours, guys, right? If you said 24 hours, what exactly the machine is predicting? Please enter valid hours between 1 to 24 if you live on the earth. If you live on the earth, isn't it? Guys, are you understand or not? Everybody, all 52 learners, I hope I'm clear. Yes? Yes, guys? Okay. Now the next one, if I mentioned -8, -8, if the students study for -8, so what happened? Let's predict the marks. It's showing please enter a valid hours between 1 to 24 if you live on the earth. Understand? Please enter valid hours between 1 to 24 if you live on the earth. So what is the goal? Why we build this app? If the students study for 10 hours, let's predict you will get 90% of mark when you do study for 10 hours per day. This is what the answer, this is what the business use case or not. And finally the software team build this app. Finally the software team build this app, and what conclusion you can give? If the student study for 11 hours, the better he gonna get 93.74 percentages mark. Yeah, all these things is must submit in the background. Anyway, we're going to see in future. Yeah, so you will get 94 percentages mark when a student study for 11 hours per day, and this is what his goal. And finally they got it. I hope you understand. So to complete this project, what exactly we want? We required HTML informations. We need to understand Flask. Okay, see this code is very important. We need to understand Flask, okay, and render templates HTML and index HTML created by HTML team, right? And we require to know the job lib package pipeline, and then we need to understand to save the model we have to make a pickle file. Control F, model, oops, Control G, so Control F, model. So output model dot predict. This model is built as a simple linear regressions model. Yes, guys, I hope you understand. Agreed or not, everyone? Agree or not, guys? So all these things is required to build the model. This is called completely a product. This is completely a product. I hope you understand, but still this is running. I hope you understand, guys. So that's why what happened if you see this one. So we build the model, we deploy the model using joblib, using Flask, model automations, monitor model. Monitor model means what? If a customer, if an end user entered some of the -4, how do you monitor this model? How do you monitor this model? This always should be on. The code, the server always should be on. So now this file we need to required as a backup. Whatever performance going on the front end, the backend developer must should need to understand. Agree or not, guys? So this is called front end UI. So what happened if I build this app? Yeah, now if I build this app for university will pay me or not? University will pay me or not, guys? Yeah, so that's why I mentioned over here front end UI used by vendor customers and revenue generated from here. Means the moment when you front end and back end. Yes, so the moment when you open amazon.com, when you search for a product, what happened, guys? When you search for a product, you buy the product, means the revenue goes to the business, and this is the way the business is gaining more profit. I hope you understand, guys. I hope you understand. So this is main exactly. So let's go back to the agenda today. What we understand in the project part, color detections project, we understand face and eye detections we saw, and end-to-end machine learning and visualizations. Let's say, yeah, I do have time, so let's complete all these projects. And before that, before we're going to see another project, I wanted to explain this. So data science pipeline we completed, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we completed, and also we saw some of the things. What is machine learning? What is AI? What is NLP? What is DL? What is neural network? We understood this one as well. So which programming language to required to learn data science, guys? Which programming language required to learn data science? So we required these programming language: Python programming, R programming, Google Colab, SQL, Azure ML, Spark, Hadoop, Flask, and Tableau. Okay, these things is required to learn data science skills, guys. So what is Python? Let me explain one by one. Let me explain one by one. The one, whatever we worked, this is called Python only. Mostly around 90% we used these tools. 90% we used this programming language, guys. Understand? Now let's close this one. Where is the agenda? I hope you understand which program. Prerequisites required to learn data science. What prerequisite is required? What prerequisite is required, guys? So does not require any background. Just let me show up. So dedications and time. We need a computer with i3 processor, 4 GB RAM, and above of configurations. And upload your resume after 3 months in the portal. Very simple, and does not require any coding background. So these four requisites, these things are required before you enroll this course. What is required? Your dedications and time. System, because you cannot play cricket without bat. The same way you cannot be a data scientist without a laptop. Yep. Upload your resume after 3 months in the portal, and does not require any coding background. Yes, guys, this is the requirement we need. And what tools we'll see? NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Starts API, Scikit-learn, NLTK, okay, and Spacey. Yes, Nitiraj, that's right. Azure ML, RStudio, Jupyter, Spider, Spark, Hadoop, all these things, these tools we should understand, guys, right? I hope you clear everyone. And another point, who can learn and enroll this course? To enroll this course? So let me tell you, there is no, anybody can, like a student, BSc, BCom, BA, and high school students to learn this course to enhance their skills. And BSc, BCom, BA students also can learn this course. Engineering, any kind of branch people, mechanical, chemical, computers, electrical, all stream students can get the job offers, because I don't want to open anybody's job offer right now, because it is credential and this is a live. So my few students, lot of students also got the job offer. Okay, this is what their offer letters and their the proof, so that I can and encourage my students to get more offers, guys. Okay, if this is not live, so I can explain and show them up a few offers. Today also my one students got an offer, and I can as it is a live, so I don't want to, those are credentials not for me but for them. So these students are, many students are got placed under my training program, so all those things. And the next one, MBA, MC, ME, MSc, MED, chart accountant, doctor, teacher, lecturer, professors, anybody can do this, guys. Require knowledge. Is this course is fruitful to me without having prior knowledge? Yes, Verma, just now I said, because if you understand what I'm explaining today, so entire 3 months, 4 months you can understand, Verma. Yeah, I hope you understand. So anybody can, that's what I'm saying, because if you see this, the person who had career gap, he is also learn this course and get the job, guys. Okay, the reason who had career gap, he's also learned this course and get the job. No software background is required, no coding background is required, no math knowledge is required, does not require linear algebra concepts, guys. because all these things I will teach you. All these things I will teach you guys. And what I want, I need your 3 hours of time every day. I need your 3 hours of time every day to complete the projects and the complete the work to get a wonderful jobs, guys. To get a wonderful jobs. Okay. Now, if you see this, what are the jobs related to the course? The first one is called data analyst. Who are the data analysts, guys? If you complete SQL, Python, EDA, Tableau, or Power BI, you are eligible for data analyst course. Understand? Who are eligible for business analyst? The one who are learned SQL, Tableau, Excel, and communications, they are eligible for business analyst, guys. Who are data engineer? The one who complete Apache Spark, Apache Hive, Apache Hadoop, and Kafka and SQL, you are eligible for data engineer role. Well, who are the data scientist? SQL, Python, statistics, machine learning, NLP, deep learning. These guys are eligible for data scientist role. I hope you understand, guys. Clear, crystal clear. So you understand which jobs you are aiming for. But what course I'm teaching? I am teaching full stack data science, means combination of everything is called full stack data scientist, guys. What we will understand in this course: SQL, Python, stats, machine learning, NLP, deep learning, Flask, and cloud. Understand or not? This is called full stack data scientist. And after this, I'll give some of the projects. You can make the projects on your resume. And you can keep giving interviews. Keep 30, please attend the 30 interview. One job offers, I'm sure you will get, because my every week, one or two students got the offers. They placed in a company. They shared their details. I will discuss with my students, whoever I training the programs. Yes, I'll show them up, because it's kind of motivating to them, guys. Very simple. Everybody's understand or not, guys? Job related to the data. Job related to the data. I hope you guys are clear. I hope you guys are clear, isn't it? So how do you apply for a job? Not only India, you can apply the jobs across the globe, guys. If you see, log into LinkedIn, the best way to apply the job is you have Naukri profile and you do have a LinkedIn profile. Yeah. So I just continue. Just one moment. Just 1 second. I think I'll show you how do you apply, guys. Very simple way, and at least we understand what exactly opening at this moment. What exactly opening at this moment? Let me sign in. Yeah. Skip. Just 1 second. Did you see, guys, here? If you have job tab is here. Just go back to the job. Once you go back to the job, did you see machine learning engineer? 2 connections just 4 days ago. Guys, are you understanding or not? Machine learning engineer just 2 days ago. So how do you apply? Just let me click this one. Just let me click this one. And very simple way. Anyway, you upload your resume, and this company has 1,001 to 5,000 employees, software development firm. Just apply. What exactly they're looking for? See, this is called job descriptions. We are especially looking for machine learning engineer with strong background on analytics, NLP, and all those things, right? I hope you understand, guys. So in this one, if you see this, a market leader, all those things, how to apply? Just click on apply and continue. If I say continue, it will hit into the portal. It is hit into the portal, and you can apply now over here. Yeah, I don't want to do it because anyway, I'm just working professionals. So if you apply for out of the country, let's say UK, United Kingdom, or UAE, something like this. So did you see there's a plenty of offers? They have this opportunity full service model. And I can say that data scientist. I will mention data scientist over here, and I will apply senior data scientist full time, and you can apply directly from here as well. I hope you understand, guys. Clear? So this is the way you can apply your job profile to within country or out of the country as well, right, guys? I hope you're clear. The next one, the next one. See, if I say this, let me execute this one. Let me execute this one. Stop and read on. Just one moment, guys. Cody, can you play the music? Oops, oops. Oops. Scope of freshers in data science. Good scope, good scope, good scope, buddy. Okay. You can go and check right now. Go to Google. Yes, what's your question? Who is this? Ashirvad Parida. So do one thing, you go to Google and just type right now machine learning job opening for a freshers. You can try. Cody, can you play the music? So this is called speech recognitions, guys. So automatically when I talk to my machines, let's do it again. Let me close this, right? So this is another projects of AI. This is another projects of AI. So I just speak to the machine, speech recognition, PyTask, PyWattKit. So when I speak, instead of Alexa, can you play the English music? So instead of Alexa, I designed a hey Cody, can you play the music instead of Alexa? So in what exactly? Just one moment. Let me open Google Chrome and let me show you. In the Google Chrome, I never open any tabs as a YouTube. Did I open? Did I open? No, I didn't open any tab, right? But now this is my WhatsApp. I didn't open any tab. But let's say speech recognitions means it's a which project? NLP, right, guys? It's a AI project only. The code is deep learning code. The front end application is AI applications. Means when I speak with my machines, my machine is understand my voice and a video is playing in background in the YouTube. Very simple. Let me run this code. Instead of Alexa play the music, it will listening, means my code is listening my voice. And if I say, Cody, can you play English music? Then the English music will play in the YouTube. Let me say this. Can we do it again? Can we do it again, guys? Let's execute this. Cody, can you play English music? Yeah. So it's speak, listen my voice, and it's playing. Just one moment. Okay. So all the music is play in the background. I hope you understand, guys. I hope you understand. So let's close this one. I hope you guys clear or not. Yeah, this is all those things we done in these projects, guys. So if you notice this, we complete one color detections project, speech recognitions project, face and eye detections project, and end-to-end visualizations and chatbot. Let me explain you the visualizations as well. And before that, we understand how AI ML used in routine work, means every day in the Twitter, in Facebook, okay? Every across the in day-to-day basis, we can use this in Amazon, all right? And Alexa, these are AI applications we can use these projects, guys. Now, very simple. Also, we build a small chatbot projects means, let me say, guys, what is meant by chatbot? In If you book a food from Zomato, you can speak with the bot. In 5 years back, there's a 24/7 people are there to pick your calls, right? If you call to the, if you have some work, there is a person's available to pick your calls. But now there is no person is available. Are you going to cover all the required versions mentioned by you, or I will have to join them? No, Rama. I am only one who take care of all those things, not everyone. This is not a college. This is not a college. This is institutes. So under my guidance, lot of people already placed. Yeah. So entire course is covered by me only, not by any other faculty. Yes. So that's why the course duration is 4 months, and all those things I'll show you shortly. But before that, let me talk about this projects as well. Let me talk about this projects as well. Just one moment. See, when you go to the HDFC Bank, or when you book the tickets from GoIbibo, or when you book the tickets from flight tickets or IRCTC, there is a chart bot. There is a chart bot is available or not? There is a chart bot is available. When you mentioned, see, I trained some of the question and answers to my machines. Hi, my name is this. How are you doing today? So when I type these questions to my machines, my machine will acknowledgement, how may I help you today, right? So let's say you need a loan. So when you open hdfcbank.com, the Eva bot is pop up, and you type, hey, how are you? So then it'll say fine, and how may I help you? Then loan, when you loan, it'll give you PL loan, personal loan, business loan, and all those things. The same way, let's build this. I trained some set of question and answers to my machines. My name is, hi, instead of star, you can mention anything. Hi, my name is this one. Then the machine is response, how are you doing today? So let's do this. Let me execute this one. Some of the questions I trained to my machines. Now let me ask the questions. The machine will acknowledge me. Let's do this. Hi. I'll say my name is Naresh IT. Enter. Oops. Hi. So the question is wrong. Did you see NY? What I mentioned here, how do I train to my model? How do I train to my machines? It's M, not N. When I say something wrong out of the box, it immediately responds you, or my customer service will reach out to you, right? So I'll say my name is Naresh IT. Hello Naresh IT, how are you today? So let me tell you, whenever the end user enter the information in the front end, immediately there is a API is hit into the back end. All right, see guys, this is what I wanted to say. This is what I wanted to say. Means this is called API. Okay, this is NLP chatbot you build right now. Okay, this is app. Customer is entered to the app, or customer is entered to the code. Where exactly the customer is entering? Fill the details. Team. Where exactly the customer is, fill the details. In the app or in the backend work code? Everyone guys. In the app, right? In the app. So let's say, hi, my name is Naresh IT. Immediately the message has sent. The API means what? Flask is here. Flask is a broker. He take the message from the customer, give this message to the code. The code is immediately give the answer. The Flask is take the answer from this one, give to the customer. Now customer is satisfied. What is the response time? If you type in the Amazon, the response time is quick or not? The response time is very quick. In the Amazon, if you look for a shoe, you get immediately output, or the response time is quite high. It's immediate output, isn't it guys? So the same way, this is called API. So because the server is on, when the server is off, the Flask is not responsible guys. The Flask is not response, right? Now the simple one, what is your name? Now when the customer type what is your name, this is what answers I gave. My name is the clever programmer, but you can just call me a robo, and I am your chatbot. I hope you understand guys. Yeah, I hope you understand. We build a small chatbot over here, right? And when I say who created you, let's say Prakash is created you, right guys? So if I want to exit the chatbot, exit. Now if you write some questions which is not I trained to the machines, where I never trained to the machines, for example, what is your date of birth, when I say our customer service will reach out to you, because this question I never trained to my machines, isn't it? This question never trained to the machines, guys. I hope you understand. This question never trained to the machines. Team, everybody's clear? Yeah, everybody's clear? Yes, guys. The one who joined for the first time, I'm just asking to them, guys. I'm just asking to them. Yes. Okay. So this is what exactly it's happening, guys, over here. Now, to exit this one, how to this? Did you see quit? So I just mentioned here to quit the program, QUIT. Bye for now. See you soon. Now the server is stopped because there's no customer is chatting and things is done. The service is down now. When the service will up, when the customer again ask the questions, automatically it will up, guys. There's a lot of connections in the backend. On the sessions, I will tell you all those things, guys. On the sessions, I'm going to explain all the details one by one. All right. Now, in this moment, the 12 number till 11 points we completed, guys. Let me revise. We complete Naresh IT, me, data science, architectures, pipeline, difference between all those things, which programming language is required, prerequisite, who can enroll this course, what is the difference between all the thing, okay, how AI is used in day-to-day works, isn't it? All those things we done. And does career gap exactly? So this is another questions. Yeah, till 11 point we covered. Now 12 point, does career gap learners can learn this course? I mean, sir, I pass out on 2014. Now 2022. I have this much of career gap because I prepared for a government exam. I was a lecturer, I was a teacher, and a lot of other professions you do. But the question is 200% I can say yes, because my lot of students are, they transit their career towards data science, guys. They transit their career towards data science. Okay, so everybody, I can show this offer after when you enroll the sessions, guys, because at this moment this is live. So I just don't want to, I mean, share the credential informations about the company for my few students. So that's why I do not show at this moment. Yeah, it is a possible for these questions. Yes. How to do this? You need to speak with me on one-on-one basis. When to speak? After, when I'll tell you. Okay, we can speak all the details. Where should I start? James, you no need to start. You just start the course from the beginning and you got to know where this one, because all machine learning is completely a math background. Yeah. See how my students are prepared the math formula. No, let me show you later one. Yeah. Another one, does non-technical students can learn this course? Does non-technical students can learn this course? See guys, if you go back to the download and resumes, some of the sample resume, how people are make the resumes, how the people are make their resumes. Did you see? Let me show you. This is what a data science professional's resume looks like. This is what the professional's resume looks like, guys. He's a non-technical guy and he prepared, I mean, data pre-processing, transformations, data analysis, ML and AI, leadership trainings, team leaders, data visualizations, machine learning techniques, and Python, Power BI, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, all those things we have over here, guys. So all the resumes we're going to discuss, I mean, on the sessions, guys. Yeah, not right now. Yep, guys. So this is all the resume patterns as well. So does non-technical students can learn this course? Yes, guys. non-technical students can learn this course? There is undoubtedly, because machine learning, data science is created not decade, it's the jobs are created since 5 years, 6 years, something like that. Yeah, so definitely it is a big possible that, okay, you, even though non-technical students can enroll to this course, guys. There is no need to worry, there is no need for worry this one, right? And the last project I just wanted to show, last projects I just wanted to explain for a, I mean, for the computer vision is called another AI projects. You know, guys, if you, let me show up. Oops, did I close this? Yeah. So here we go. C4 main. Let me restart the kernel. Just one moment. Just one moment. Yep, its restart is done, and let me execute the code. So let's minimize. See this, guys. See what exactly happened. This is the NH road, right? This is NH road. These vehicles are moving. So what exactly we are trying to detect? Object tracking. We track the object, which object is going very fast, which object is going very slow. So how do we track? So how exactly we build the code for this one? Each and every vehicles come, it will detect. I mean, all the backgrounds we should be make it as a mask, make it as a black, and this object is moving, and we track the objects. Did you see this, guys? I hope you understand. This is one of the interesting projects of AI. So if you look at this, this is called your RGB colors. It automatically change up, and okay, how exactly it looks like. All the powerful goes to credibility, goes to these packages. All the credibility goes to these packages, guys. I hope you understand. See, my script is keep on running because when the object is moving, so all the details are captured in the background. Did you see, guys? These are the numbers. These are not a number. This is called your, I mean, pixel sizes. These are the pixel sizes. So all things we're going to, this is advanced. I mean, this is at last we'll speak all these projects because I touch it. So that's why it lost. Let me restart the kernel. Yes, guys, I hope you understand. I hope you understand what exactly I'm trying to say. Correct or not? Yes, team. I mean, the one freshers, the one who is freshers. Yes, James, Vignesh, Srinivas, Nitiraz, Om Prakash, everyone, guys. Yeah, Hari Kumar, Jyoti, Mahesh, all of them. So it's not a big thing, guys. If you learn SQL, no need to pay good money. So you have to learn some technical course, and this is just a I mean, it's kind of like workshop. In this workshop, we try to uh, do some of the advanced projects and all those things. Let me show up, guys, over here. So a lot of students placed under my training, and some of them are got good packages. Let me show you some of the students who got placed under me, but I don't want to show their credentials, but I just show their informations. Let me show you placed candidate under my guidance. They all are from non-technical background. At this moment, see, I will hide this company names, but that's okay. So these are the students, they placed their positions, their offers, every offers I have. If you want to speak with any of the persons, my one student, he got offer, let me hide this company name. He got offer of around 110 US dollar, means 75 lakhs, guys. 75 lakhs in US. And today another students got 5.5. Okay, so did you see Miraz Ali? Now he just dropped a message today, guys, and I will show later, guys. So this is a workshop. If you show this, but that's okay. Anyway, I explained. Let me show that. So where is my WhatsApp? Yeah, did you see, guys? So just now today, 12:30 p.m. Hi sir, how are you? A company whose name is Brightpoint AI Technology Chennai based offer me machine learning engineer role package offer 5.5 after 6 months based on performance you will increase. Which company? This is a product based company. What is meant by product based? Service based, product based. There are two type of companies we have, right guys? Yeah, product means let's say MRF, they have own product, isn't it? Those are the manufacturing companies. Yeah, MRF and Wipro, Accentures, they don't have their own product. That is called service based product companies, right? It's better if you get a job offer in product based companies. Clear? I hope you understand, guys. I so all the peoples are got the offers under my guidance, and they should be more happy. They are freshers, and they are freshers, and they come here, they study. Within 4 months of journey, they will change their self, and they're quite satisfied with the learning programs, guys. So this is the proof, and I hope you guys are understand, right? And also, what prerequisites required does not require any prerequisite. For any further questions, non-technical questions, you can reach out to the support team. For technical questions, you can reach out to me. I'm always available in Naresh IT. You know, it's a company, Naresh IT company we have. I'll available. Yeah. So these are the projects we can work as a practical, but in resume projects, we will discuss later, guys. Resume projects we will discuss later. Yeah. So let me go back to the this part. Yeah, this workshop. Yep, all things we done, guys. Everything's we complete so far. Now other modules from your program. No, Srinivas, why you want to skip it? You continue that. Yes, Srinivas, and then you can connect with the take the sessions as well. Yes, you don't. I don't want to see knowledge is never be a bad. So you don't want to skip it. You can continue. But what I'm saying, my people, I have offers, guys. My people are getting placed. My students are getting placed. And nowadays, students required a proof. Now students are required proof. Now what, sir? Why are you saying like that? Do you have any proof? These are the proof I showed you right now. And I have the proof along with the offers as well. Lot of students getting placed, but as I am busy with my office works and all those things, I captured few of the screenshots, and I promised that I will capture the rest of the students whoever get the offers under my training, and I wanted to show to the students, guys. Yep. So I hope we complete these workshops today. And the agenda for these workshops to understand what exactly ML, what exactly DS, and what exactly NLP, even though a layman student can understand, because I explain a little bit very slowly with some of the projects and all the details. Now, it is a question and answers time. If you want to speak with me, you can speak with me, guys. And let's continue the discussions part. Now it's time for question and answers. Now it's time for question and answers. Anybody have any questions, you can raise your hands, and if you have any questions you can post. Let's discuss. Yeah, just one moment. Yes, Sunil, please go ahead. Sunil, unmute you. When will the program begin? Actually, the new batch started last week only, and a demo is going on. Okay, how much is the fee for this course? Hari Kumar, for without recording, the course fees is 15,000. With recording, the course fees is 20,000. But if you are a non-technical student, your wish, but my suggestion is to take the recording, because even after the session, you can continue with the recording. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Sunil, Abhishek, James, Aman, Amit, Aniket, Bhavani, and Carrie, Dhyaneshwar. I mean, few students already there. Rakshani, already you undergoing my program. Ajahil Rashi, Hari, Ishwari, I think you've already done. Jeevan, Jyoti, Madhu, Mini, Muhammad, Narasimha, Nihar, Om Prakash, Pavan. Pavan, I think you undergoes. Time of the course, I live in CST time zone. Time of the course, I've been 7:30 p.m. batch is started in IST, and you can calculate your time zone, Srinivas. Yeah, 7:30 p.m. IST, because yeah, 4 p.m. for me. But anyway, if you have office, then maybe it's conflict again, isn't it? Yeah, so you need to check, and maybe you need to wait for if I complete any other batch. That's okay. That's fine. It's you think about you. Any questions, you can reach out to the support team. Yes, guys. Prashad, Priyanka, and sir, I have teaching as assistant professor. It's near 10 years. My area research machine learning. I want to move to IT side. So now, what's your name, Kathy? Chennai. So do you see my few students also professors background, dear? I mean, little bit confused to pronounce your name, but they already transit their, they are already transit their, they quit professors. Now he's working as a data scientist now. And when he professors, he was getting his pay was 6 lakhs, but now he's getting 12 lakhs within the 2.5 months in the training program only he done. Because when you have teaching experience, so it's better way to explain to the interviewer what exactly the questions they ask, isn't it? Yes. But to make a resume, that depends on me. If you prepare your resume, you will get only teaching experience calls. When I prepare resume, you will get IT calls, data scientist calls, machine learning engineer calls. That's the way my students are getting offers. Yes, I hope you understand. I hope you understand, Chennai Caddy. Yeah. Sir, it is NESCOM collaborative course. Yes, we do participate with NESCOM. Regarding the NESCOM certifications, I want you to please talk to the support team. Yeah. And maybe the NESCOM some set up some of the um, set of criteria. All right, Baiva. Mini Verma, what will be the duration of each class? Duration of each class, not 3 hours, because today is the workshop, so I take 2.5 hours, something like that. But the duration of the course must be 1.5 hours. Yes, Mini Verma. So can you please where to start this course? So Sunil, you not start because I have to tell you where to start. Okay. So the code starts like this. First, we learn Python, statistics, machine learning, NLP, deep learning, computer visions, and then time series, data analysis, then R programming, then Azure ML, Apache Hadoop, Tableau, prepare resume, mock interview, project, resume building. And I will post my number also. Yes, Sunil, and I'll give my numbers to discuss. It is written on Naresh IT website. What is that? What written by who? May I know? Sure, thanks. So what is written by who? May I know? Kathy. That resumes you will get only teaching interview call, but no, you never get data science call. Trust me. Okay. I hope you understand what exactly I'm trying to say. Yes, guys. Yeah. So I know even though if I say that's not make sense because I know that I already told many of the yeah NESCOM certified. True, true, true. By verb, that's what I'm saying about NESCOM certified. It's better. I'm a technical guy. Okay. I am technical guy. So no, when you registered, my admin team take out your all the informations, all the numbers might be they will reach you out for any further questions. Math required for this course, about math required for this course. Om Prakash, of course, we do required math, but not like in I mean 10th class plus 2 class. All the packages is take care of it. Let's say y equal to mx plus c. This is what equations. This is linear model equations, right? Now, when I write down something like this from sklearn
dot linear model import simple linear regressions. When I write this code in my Python, automatically this equation has call in the backend. Understand. So this type of equations we need to remember, and all those things I will explain you on the class. Okay, buddy. Okay, Om Prakash. Yeah. See how my students, actually my student, her name is Akila. So she also attending today's sessions, and she prepared some of the formula sheets. I wanted to share, which was quite amazing, So in the interview, so these type of formulas we can make. Let's do this. Formula sheets or formula sheets. What exactly mean by how math is required in the background? Let me show up. These are the formulas. See this. Sample populations, mean statistics formulas, right? And covariance formulas, inferential statistics. Just one moment. G score, standard error. Don't be scared by look at this one. If you don't understand, nobody will pay you minimum 2 lakhs or 1 lakhs per month, guys. Let me tell you, if you know Excel knowledge, nobody will pay you all those things. Regressions model, simple linear regressions model, multiple. I will teach you all the equations on the classes. That is why what is R square, what is machine learning. In machine learning, we talk about regularizations, we talk about confusion matrix, we talk about many more things, logistic regressions. If you understand these equations, definitely you will get a job, guys. And that is why I am here to help you from a basic zero to make you a hero. I mean, even though for non-technical students, you easily get the offer and you can share the offers the way my students are getting placed. And I will be with you for lifetime, not only for this course. After 3 months also, you can reach out to me, guys, no problem. Guys, I hope you understand. I hope you understand, right? Yeah, James, what are the tools required to install in my laptop for Start Data Science? I will teach you, James. After the demo is going on, after that I will teach you, and you need to download the softwares along with me. Yes, as it is online program, I have to teach you. I have to show you how to download, check whether you install the software properly or not. All those things I'll show you. Yes, James, but we need to download Anaconda, R programming, Tableau, and PySpark, Azure ML, all those things. Yes, James. Sunil, please share this number. To whom? To admin? Yeah. So Sunil, when you log into this link, you might enter your informations, right, Sunil? And they are able to get back the fetch the informations. So no problem. Yeah. Okay. I hope is it interesting sessions. Yeah, I'm sure I'm not make you bore. It's almost been a 2.5 hours, guys. Yeah, I'm sure I'm not make you bore. Yes. And what are tools required? Okay, I think I covered up. Anybody have any questions? Anyone have any questions, guys? Anyone have any questions? More clear than last one. All right. No, good, good. Jyoti, do you have any question? Jyoti, do you have any question? Preeti, Priyanka, just one moment. Yes, Priyanka, please go ahead. Yeah, unmute you. I unmute you. You can speak with me, no problem. So duration of this course, 4 months, Preeti, 4 months. Can you share the course curriculum PDF? Srinivas, I think if you go back to the Naresh IT email, all right. If you go back to the Naresh IT email, I think you get back to here. and these are the projects looks like, and this is the certificate you will get from me, and course curriculum, detailed course content you will get here. Let me execute and let's copy. But once you enrolled, I will give the course curriculum. Both are same, but for my it's more detailed oriented. Yes, I'm sorry, just to everyone. Right. Okay. Yes, Priyanka, please go ahead. What's your question?
Uh, Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Previously, also I have attended your a demo session.
Mhm.
From that day, I am looking for another batch, sir, the morning batch. I'm
Oh, you are
looking
looking
for the
for
morning
morning
batch.
batch? Okay, so
Yes, because
Mhm.
recently I have got jobs, sir. So the job timing is 11 to 8. So it's not possible in that time.
I
So
know, I know. So just wait. I think you know where to check. Maybe within 20 or 25 days we're gonna start. Anyway,
uh,
you get to see, you keep connect with the follow-up team, yeah,
okay, sir.
and
So,
you just yeah.
sir, it is possible to move from PMO to business analyst to data scientist in
You
within
are
the
working.
industry.
You are working as a business analyst now.
Sir, I got an offer for a PMO,
Okay, what is that?
project manager officer.
What work in Excel?
They said like that.
No, I think those most are non-technical work only. Yes,
Uh,
it is possible, but
they
are
have
you
a
spend?
technical project also, but I don't have any
No, no. Once anyway.
there.
Yeah, but what exactly I'm trying to say?
Mhm, mhm,
Um, will you spend time? Because
mhm,
one, you go for 11 to 8.
mhm,
After 8, you fresh up and then you start. If you spend 2 hours every day, Priyanka, then it is
mhm,
possible. Why not? Because I'm here
mhm,
and
mhm,
I'll give resumes, I'll give projects.
mhm,
Any questions you
mhm,
can reach out to me. I'll guide you, no
mhm,
problem, right? It is
mhm,
possible. My lot of students are got placed, Priyanka.
mhm.
They are from non-technical background. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So anyway, you just keep connecting to the support team. You get to know when the new batch gonna start on morning time. All right.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye. Sunil sir, I'm second BTech student at AIML branch. This course how to useful to me. Sunil, I'll tell you one thing. In second BTech also, you should more focus on coding part. I will tell you how to learn code. I'll give lot of books to practice, and also you start freelancing work as well, and you can earn money in the back end as well. And after complete, you can try for jobs right now. Second batch only, third batch only, third BTech only. Because when you keep getting interview, one day will come. You're more confident. By the time of third round, you have around 10 offers. You reject the offers. Yes, Sunil, what I'm saying, you reject the offers. Don't join. By what happened in the 2 years, you have around 15 offers. Whatever offers gives you more pay, you jump to it. Understand or not? So after complete the BTech, when you try, you lost another 2 years. Agree or not? Agree or not? Yeah, right. James, I'm from Nigeria. How can I make payments for this course? James, I think you can reach out to the support team. Yeah, I think they have some modes for foreign people, and yeah, so those things you can go for it. Yes, James. So what's your background? May I know, James? Just a little bit. Can I unmute you? Yeah, unmute you. Don't speak with me.
Hello,
Yes, you
sir.
can. Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I actually study mathematics at my college level, and I have some few background in .NET programming with C Sharp. But for
Mhm,
Python, I don't have any knowledge about it.
mhm, mhm. So no worries, because that is why I'll teach Python from the basic. All right. And in a company, the Python developer role is different, and data scientist role is different. The end of the goal, we need to get a job, right, James? Isn't it?
Okay, sir.
End of the goal is to get a job, and I am working as a data scientist, so I will teach you. I hope you understand. today we saw a lot of the projects, which is very interesting, isn't it? Yes or not?
Yes, I really love the project, and I think I want to follow it to the end.
Yeah. So I think you like all the projects today because this workshop, these are the real-time projects we understand. And I am here to help you to how the data science projects we're going to build with the Python, and those projects we can upload your resumes, and you can apply many data science jobs available in South Africa as well, because I do my lot of friends from Johannesburg. They are staying there, and they're working as a AI guy. So it's a plenty of opportunities, and you can also switch your career towards UK, US, and Singapore, and across the globe you can travel. So the course which we are learning is not only stick to the specific country, but you can apply across the globe. So it's a good scope in the future. I hope you understand.
Yeah. Will the time for these trainings remain the same time like this, or there going to be an adjustment of the time?
Actually, this is a workshop. It's a one-day program. Yes, James, but I started a new batch last week onwards, and it's just 3 days, and the batch timing was 7:30 p.m. IST. 7:30 p.m. IST. So can you check what's your timing over there?
I've been following the courses, but it's more favorable to me if it falls in the morning, that is in morning in Nigeria. Yeah.
So yeah. So what you do? So what you do? You can do a follow up with. You can do follow up with the support team. All right. Or else, just one moment. Just one moment. All right. And yeah. So if they not reach out, they not pick your call. This is I just informed you. You just let me know. I just informed them. So they will reach out to you. No problem. They will reach out to you. Or any issues, you can connect with me in LinkedIn as well. You can catch me in LinkedIn. Yes, James.
Okay, sir. I will sign up for that, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right, guys. So Amit, all is good. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you like today's workshop, and I'm looking forward for upcoming days with you guys, and let's catch up. If you like it, just come back and attend the sessions and keep change your careers and with a good pay, and let's continue this journey. All right. So thank you, and I'm gonna signing up today, and have a great night, and have a great day, guys. See you and happy weekend. Goodbye.